What is going on, guys? It's me, Fazzilla again, and I have another Lego set to review. This time, it's dead. It came with a dead box, like it's a fully damaged box, but that's okay. I'm going to open it anyway. Um, we have the first order crew. We have one stormtrooper, some turret fellow, and a heavy person. And we have the turret, which I'm actually a little excited for. It's a new design. You can see some blaster. We have some green studs and red studs. You can see what you can do with the turret. I don't know if you can fit that guy inside it, but we'll see. Let's start with the stock model. Well, so we have done that. The building process was quite nice and slow, but it was good. We have one first order stormtrooper, we have the first order crew, and we have the turret fellow, and then we have the heavy first order trooper. It's just the same one, but with some slight detailing. They both have clone trooper faces, because it's an old set, not the 2021s. You can see this guy has a little bit more detailing than this guy. We have this one who has an interesting design. It's just the same torso and the legs, only the head is different. You can see his helmet has the first order stamp. If this thing can zoom in, yes, right there. So that's good. they all have stud shooters, and then we have the turret guy, who just looks like a normal Death Star trooper, turret Empire thing, but with the weird cap. Next, we have the turret, which you can spin, you can move around, and it has a stud shooter which can shoot, and then you can catch it and then keep it over there. It has a nice design. You can, like, I don't know what you can do there. It has a control panel. I don't know why you can't even fit this guy inside. Yeah, you can't fit him inside, but yeah, it has some storage for the studs. If you want, you can, like, exchange them. Let's remove this guy. And the control panel, I don't know what you do. Who will? You can't fit a minifigure in there. It's just there for, like, show. You can't do anything unless you, like, put this guy. Where's this helmet? There. Okay, that he went over here. Like, that won't happen, right? Who in the midst of a turret fight will do that? And this turret can easily just shoot him in the head. So yeah, that's interesting. It's a nice turret design, I give you that. It looks like the Death Star, one of the Death Star turret, but it's okay. It's fine. Well, that's it for today, I guess. It was a quick, nice build. You can see the first order stormtrooper's face. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Keep watching, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And yeah, I'll see you in the, where's the camera, next one.